Spring means asparagus. They are best in the spring. I'm going to show them off by serving them with some burrata and a brown butter sauce. It's very simple, and this is a delicious breakfast if you add an egg to it. So let's talk about asparagus first. What I've done here is just trim the bases, and I've also peeled them slightly. I don't like that technique where people say to snap them. I think it's just a total waste of asparagus. That usually would go in the bin. But this is, in fact, the sweetest part. So what you need to do is just grab your asparagus, grab a peeler, I use a speed peeler, and then just peel the base. Now, once you get the hang of it, it's actually quite quick and it's worth it because you're not only not wasting the asparagus, you're getting more out of it, and that's the sweetest part. So I've just got a steamer basket ready to go, and I will cook them, but I don't want to cook them yet because I want them to be al dente, so just slightly crunchy in the center. We need to start our brown butter. So some unsalted butter, I will season it with some salt later on. We'll add, I want to say about half of this. And this is a fantastic technique because this brown butter goes with fish, it goes with all types of vegetables, particularly great with these asparagus, and also burrata. Burrata actually means butter in Italian, so they go hand in hand. So I'm going to put that on a medium to high heat, let that butter melt. Once it starts to become really foamy and it stops sizzling, you know you're close. What we're looking for are the milk solids to go from that white colour to that golden colour. Now you want to pay attention when you do this because you don't want it to become burnt butter, we want it to be nut brown. All right, I know that this butter is ready because you can see how golden brown it is. So remove it from the heat straight away, and then I'm going to add some capers. And for a little heat, some chili flakes. And this will really stop the cooking process, just some lemon juice. Give that a bit of a twirl. All right, let's have a look at our asparagus. They've just been steaming for a few minutes. Perfect. I don't like an overcooked asparagus. It's such a shame. They're so beautiful and so sweet when they're just slightly crunchy in the center. Okay, we'll just pile them up. I'll grab a spoon. And before I pour this on, I just want to add a small pinch of salt to our butter. And now it's ready to go. So drizzle that over the top. Don't be shy. Gorgeous. And this dish is not complete without a gorgeous ball of burrata. Now, burrata is a mozzarella that has stracciatella inside, so it's creamy, it's lush. So take it out carefully. And I'm not going to add the whole ball on top to start with. What I like to do is just cut straight through the center. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is why I love eating and cooking, because you know that is going to be so delicious. I'll grab a spoon again. We'll just break that up. And we'll just add this creamy burrata on top. I love the combination of the creamy center and then that outside casing. So you've got the two textures there. We'll add a little more. To finish it off, some more chili flakes. And just because I have a little more butter and the capers, we'll just drizzle some over the top so it really combines together. Ooh. Try this dish out. Very simple technique. Asparagus, burrata, butter, best mates.